Hello wonderful viewers and welcome back to another fantastic video. My name is Mike Howe and today we have the brand new Yokomo RO 1.0 brushless two-wheel drive ready to run buggy. They had just developed this and sent it to me to review. Now this thing has a lot to unpack, so in order to make this seem a little bit more entertaining and also a little bit more nicer, how about we cut over to a voiceover with a very melodic voice. This is the part where I lose viewers. Well, why did I think this was cool? Just cut to the voiceover.
The Yokomo RO 1.0 is one of the best ready-to-run buggies in the world. Not only is it stylish on looks, but it also performs like a top-tier you know what? Maybe the voice wasn't a good idea. Can we redo that again? Okay. The Yokomo RO 1.0. For the low price of $300, this ready-to-run two-wheel drive buggy with an achievable top speed of 38 miles per hour is one of the best entry-level buggies that you can get from Yokomo right now. This thing on style alone is absolutely beautiful out of the box, which of course comes with the car, remote, the owner's manual, some tools, and some extra parts. Of course, we can talk about the looks, which are absolutely beautiful and aerodynamic, but I prefer to take a peek behind the backstage curtain to fully understand what's going on underneath this beautiful shell. Inside we have here the brushless system, along with their gyro system and beautifully tuned suspension, so that way your car leans into the turns and grips around the corners. Now, Yokomo has made a lower center of gravity chassis so that way you hug the corners and stay low to the track. And to lower the weight even more, they put in a shorty battery pack holder so that way you can be more efficient around the track. If you don't fancy the tuning that came just out of the box, rest assured Yokomo can allow you to tune the slipper clutch, the suspension to make it higher or feel stiffer and tighter, and their gyro, which you can intensify on the gain if loose surfaces are causing you to spin out, or you can lower it on surfaces that you have plenty of grip for. And to top it all off, literally, the chassis is then covered with this well-crafted buggy body, protecting everything with the Velcro so that way you don't have to waste time trying to pull off body pins, which we know how difficult those can be. Once everything is packed and sealed, this thing looks beautiful. But no one wants to see this thing sitting still. How about we go ripping this thing around the track?
Wow, what an absolute unit this buggy is. For the first time ever driving a professional ready-to-run two-wheel drive buggy, I gotta say this thing was easy to handle, especially with tuning the gyro because I realized that the surface that I was on was a little bit too grippy. So I turned down the gyro and this thing was taking turns left and right out of nowhere. The grip levels are absolutely phenomenal on this thing. On top of the grip, all of that power is delivered through that wonderfully tuned brushless system. I mean, this thing's a champion out of the box. All for $300, a two-wheel drive system, brushless power, a gyro system. This thing is ready to run. Literally. Honestly, Yokomo has made an absolute great ready-to-run entry-level buggy. And thank you very much to Yokomo, RC Pit Lane, and Cruisin' RC for allowing me to showcase this wonderful buggy. This is Mike Howell, signing off.